Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, DRZ 400 over there.
What are you riding this time?
We have the 2023 Suzuki Hayabusa. 190 brake horsepower, 110 foot-pounds of torque, weighing in at 582 pounds. Whew, let's get on the road and see what it's like. But first, sitting position, I am flat-footed. You know, as heavy as this bike is, it doesn't really feel it. We are in first gear. So let's get a quick sound check. Okay, so we got... I like these mirrors. I'm going to talk too much before I get on the road. This is going to be a terrible video. Oh boy. I'm going to adjust this camera just a hair, I think. That's the thing about the channel. I have to do all these adjustments and everything on the fly and pray that everything goes well because I get one shot. Alright, we're good. Let's see everybody on the road. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. The 2023 Suzuki Hayabusa. This new styling of the Busa, actually I really like. Now that 2014 was the first Hayabusa I had ever ridden. This would be the second Hayabusa I've ever ridden. And honestly, I like this. I like this one quite a bit. $18,799 MSRP, I think, for this bike. And fully adjustable suspension, adjustable clutch and brake levers from the factory, which is super nice, as all bikes should be nowadays, because it doesn't cost that much more. They should be all adjustable. This is a beautiful area, Georgetown. Again, if anybody lives here in Georgetown, you watch this video, comment on it, please. Let us know what it's like here. Man, me and my wife have had such a good time here. With the stock exhaust, this bike is very quiet. Rider position on this, I mean, as I sit back and kind of get into a comfortable spot, yeah, it's really good. I mean, a lot of people do sports tour on this. I mean, of course, this is one of the most heavily modified platforms of bike that you can buy. It's very, very comfortable, very stable. Man. I don't know because when you ride a bike that's owned by somebody else, you get something that's modified. You know, some things may not be to your liking. I really do like riding stock bikes a lot because I get to know, man, what would I change if I owned it? And no lie, for the price of this bike, I mean, what? This has cruise control, and more power than you can ever ask for. But for the price of this bike, you are literally paying leader bike money. 18 grand. Let's just make it $18,000. And I am in leader bike money. This is more comfortable than any leader bike that I've ridden. I've ridden nearly all of them this year. Honda. Get a demo ride so I can actually ride the CBR 1000. Probably just lost the glasses. I can see why people sports tour on it. I personally wouldn't. Honestly, because a true sports tour right now is a lot more upright and way more comfortable than this. But I can see why people do. I really can. Well, let's put it plain. The Hayabusa is... I mean, it's no longer the fastest production bike in the world, but there's something special about this bike. But yes, there is a special feeling about this motorcycle that you get. It's really special. It doesn't have to be the fastest bike in the world anymore. It's still special. Man. Yeah, this bike is... wow. Wow. I might get converted into a Busa boy at some point. I mean, as I was trying to get to earlier, I mean, it's still special. This bike is, it's unique. The ZX14 is great, but the ZX14 is not this. And I'm a Kawasaki. I love Kawasaki, but okay. See, I could. The bike I just rode, the 8S, right? I just rode that before I rode the Boost. I could full throttle the 8S. I can't full throttle this because I'm going way faster than I was on that. I'm catching up to everybody in front of me so quick I have to slow down. This bike is insane. It's insane. Oh, God almighty. I cannot believe that this bike is even legal. Honestly, it's just, how is this bike legal? I mean, it's very stable at walking. You know, when you're just kind of walking it down very slow, it's very stable. Once you get over the fact that it is 580 pounds, I think, you know, like that. Anyway, you got to let me know in the comments what you think about this bike. There you go. 22 degrees. Yes. Woo! Finally broke the record. I broke my personal best on the Busa in the first time I've ridden the 2023. I think my best lean angle ever was, I don't know, I think it was like, yeah, it was like 44 degrees on my 2020 Aprilia RSV4RR, which is fast, but it's not Busa fast. Busa fast is ridiculous. Here you are, ladies and gentlemen. 2023 Suzuki Hayabusa. Let's get a sound check. It is very quiet. It's very quiet. Still a really great bike. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe. Enjoy the ride.